Hello everyone, welcome back to another Blender video. Usually I do streams on this, but this is just going to be a small update, so I decided, hey, I'm just going to show it. So this is what I've been up to recently. I finished up some wings, or the bones of the wings at least. I've got some legs with some claws. I yoinked some organs off the internet, so I got lungs and a heart there. I have a throat pipe, I got that all finished, and I have a template for an organ that will have like fire in the stomach that kind of splits off for the throat pipe. So yeah, this is the template. And yeah, that's what I've been doing the past few uh, Blender sessions, I guess. Make sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss the next update, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like when it's rendered. Let's get rid of this stuff. Hold on. There you go. That's what it looks like. Hope you guys like it. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done. So yeah, make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.